Well, hello people, and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all well. Today's video I'm showing you not a recent pickup, but a pickup I made. I was able to cop the Supreme X Smurf skateboard deck in the black colorway. Retail was £65. This released earlier in the Supreme Fall Winter 20 season, back in October. And yeah man, I just like the design, the creativity behind it, and I feel like skateboard deck's a cool accessory to own. This was not the only colorway, it also came in the red and the purple. At the time of recording, black is the worst performing in terms of resale, followed by red, and then the best performing being purple. In terms of some details for the skateboard deck, there's a small Smurf like print on the inside of the deck. And at the back, as you can see, there's a Smurf painting the S part of the Supreme, which is probably my favorite part of the deck. But overall, just a nice clean piece of art really that I'll just have on the wall along with my other decks, which I actually own, the camo deck as well as the banner deck. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, stay tuned and stay blessed. I'll catch you in the next one.